So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another pandas video where we'll solve one problem using pandas. And today's problem is we have to get the nth highest salary, like it will get an input, and based on that input we have to find that salary. If that number is not present in that table, then we have to show null. And yeah, that's it. So if that number is not present in that table, we have to show null. And also our column name should be based on the n, like whatever the n will be input, we have to show that in the bracket also. So let's see how we can solve it. So the first line of code is, let me copy this one and we will see. Okay, so we are storing this employee data frame in by transforming something like employee. We are getting only salary column and we are getting it as a data frame. Then we are sorting the values by salary and in descending order. Okay, then we are dropping the duplicates. So any duplicates is there, we are dropping it, because what will happen, suppose 1 is 100 and 2 is 100, then there is no second highest salary, right? They are both are same salary. But if we will not drop the duplicates, then even if 2 will be passed, it will show you the 100 as the second highest salary, but which is not. It is the first highest salary, it is not the second highest salary. Okay, so let's see. And then we are resetting the index, drop equal to true. So what is happening here is we are getting only the salary column, and if we are resetting the index after dropping the duplicates, so it will count from start like 0 1 2, and whatever the index will be present there before dropping the duplicates, it will be dropped. Okay, so if you will see the employee data frame, maybe the keyboard sound might be coming a little bit loud, please adjust. So okay, we'll see the employee data frame. See, we are getting the salary as 100 and here input is 100. Okay, so see here also the data frame has only one value, but the argument is also first highest salary, so you have to get 100. Okay, okay, so we'll see the next step. Next step is, let's see the next step. So the next step, we are adding on if condition. So if that employee size equals to 1, employee dot size, you know, in pandas there is one method size and there is one method save. Okay, so size basically in the data frame how many values present in total. Suppose two columns has 4 values, so it will show you the size as 4. Or one column has 10 values, then it will show you the size as 10. Okay, so because we are showing only one column here as salary, so we are taking the distinct value. Suppose there are 3 values present, so it will return as 3. So basically what we are saying is, if employee dot size equals to 1, means if this employee data frame has one value and this employee dot index plus 1, like if it has one value, that means index is 0, correct? So index 0 plus 1. Okay, so what will happen here, whatever we are giving, we are starting from 1. Okay, so if this index plus 1 is not equal to n, n means if it is not equal to 2 or 3 or anything, any value n is passed, or n minus 1 means, suppose n value is passed 3. 3 means it has this data frame has only one value and we have passed n, means n equal to 3 means third highest salary we need to find, but there is no third highest salary, right? So if n minus 1 is not in the index value of employee, if you will get employee dot index, then it will show you only one index, that is 0. Correct? So what we are going to return? We are going to return an blank data frame which will have the column with the index. So we are returning making a data frame. We are renaming it as we are giving the column name with the column name as it is expecting, and we are returning none as salary. Index is n. So whatever value they have passed, we are returning that index, because if you are creating in data frame, then we need to pass the index value also. Then if that above condition is not true, then what we need to return the result, correct? So the result is we are creating one data frame, employee dot log. We, if we are giving if we have to return some rows based on certain condition, then we need to use log. So you can refer some column values, but if you are referring index values, then you can use ilog. Here I am referring the log. So if our employee dot index equals to n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because suppose we are mm, giving input as 2. 2 means second highest salary, but in our data frame it will be 0 1, correct? So if you are giving 2, 2 means 2 minus 1, 1. So if the index is 1, then that will be our second highest salary. So that is basically the logic here, n minus 1, and we are renaming the columns as it is expecting, and we are returning it. Okay, so we do not need this return function. I think that much. So that is the code for this nth highest salary. If you will run this result, you can see it is accepted. Why it is accepted? Because see, our data frame has one value, so we have passed this if condition here. If data frame size has 1, yes, it is 1. And if employee dot index plus 1 not equal to n, but here if employee dot index is 0, so 0 plus 1 not equal to n. N means n is also 1 here. So this condition is failing. That is why it will go to the else part, and also it will check the n minus 1, like if the index is present in this employee table or not. So if we will take the n minus 1 value, like 0 1 minus 1 0 not in employee dot index, which is present in index. So because our only index here is 0, so it will go to the else condition and it will return where the index equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, and the 0th index the salary is 100, correct? So we'll submit the code, and as you can see it is like accepted, but we are at the last stage of the runtime. So if you have a better solution, please mention it in comments, and subscribe to my channel if you are learning something, and if my videos are helping you, please subscribe, so that we together can learn. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and till then please practice. Hope you will get you'll get expert in pandas and data analysis using this library. Okay, so you'll see in the next video with another problem. Till then you have to practice.